I don't know if this camera's the right way, but that's how I want to freestyle for y'all. Okay, turn up the business. Yep. So I'ma do it for you. I ain't shit on him, man. I just pissed on him. Okay, let's head down. I don't really care what you gotta say. I pissed on all of them. Yes, it's number one. And I would not spit into this game that I run. And I make your girl run and she pass me that tongue. Know what I mean? You know what I seen? My money is long, longer than a limousine. I'm kicking on these niggas, cooking them like cuisines. And my money extra large, it's me. My tree is all green. My game, I just have it. Pissing on them. Ooh, look, boy, that's nasty. But I just do anything on them. I flushed it on them. Flowing on them. I'm going on them like I was doing, looking boy, playing with these beats. Yes, they're my toys because I'm about 18. The game right here, I say me, and I just keep on going, flowing like a beat. You know I'm crazy. El Loco, flow automatic. Got your girl over here, you know I'm gonna have it. Game right here, raising up, I'm doing havoc. I'm just switching through the catches, I'm in traffic. Flow on a boat, nigga, know what I mean. Damn, looking at me, huh? You know what I mean? What time is it? About 3 o'clock. About the time for me to kill the shit. Now we're gonna stop freestyle. I just get in the track, you know I go wild. Like, hey man, shout out to my man Cospouse. Rock wild, bigger than that fat child. Got to stamp his ass like a poster. Drink the bitches like mocha. And I got flow, no bolter. Understand me, it goes off. Cut these niggas' head, yeah, I cut them off. And I got the girl over here leaving her jaws. What shit it on? I'm dead on them. Flash the toilet on them. Pissed on these niggas, now they gone home crying. Whoops, I feel like a bully. But it's one less bully, one more friend. But to y'all, niggas not my friends. When you try to talk my back, I don't care. Only thing I gotta say is I don't care. Money over here, you over there. You ain't hip, I blow so sick. Blow so sick, niggas know I am no havoc. But I just keep on flowing, boating over tactics. Damn money long, call me Mr. Fantastic. Got the game over here, niggas can't stand it. I don't care what you gotta say to me, yes my son. Niggas fuck with me, man you better run. Nicki Minaj on the track, big booty. Damn know that ass clap. I don't care, boo beat, niggas, y'all are both peep. Bagged ass nigga, y'all make you lay down like a sheep. Shave your ass off, no me Mars. Oh, goddamn, got unlimited bars. And I just keep on going, never flowing on that track. And J-A-double-Z, bells, I just pick this flow up on the rock. About to hang this beat up, damn. Think that, just came in it, yeah. I don't care, nigga. Still spit. Flow, whoa. I boho. What time is it? Time for me to flow mo.